With emerging technologies, the regional and global business landscape has changed beyond all recognition. In the year 2000, 2 million people in the MENA region used the internet. This year, that 2 million will reach 82 million. 65.4 million internet users speak Arabic. That's an increase of 2,500%. Yeah, that's right, 2,500%. The Arab world has had huge successes and gained some valuable experience in the ICT field. Let's celebrate and highlight some of these successes. This year's forum is entitled Arab ICT Spring, Realizing Potential. Both globally and regionally, ICT has become an integral part of education, health, government, energy and smart cities, transportation along with aviation, and is emerging in many other sectors. We've brought you together with the MENA ICT Forum, MENA ICT Expo, Invest in ICT, business matching sessions, and other networking events. It's truly the place to be for ICT vision, knowledge, and business. By attending MENA ICT Forum 2013, you have become part of a vision platform that connects leaders and companies. Together, we can contribute to the Middle East and North Africa's continued success in the ICT sector and continue to establish Jordan as the gateway and hub of ICT in the Arab world. Let's take a look at the international landscape. The visions, the changes, the next big thing. Booz & Company highlight the word digitization. It takes us full circle, shifting power from companies, establishments, and authorities to the social digital individual. For example, on travel phenomenon TripAdvisor, 50 million individuals have submitted their thoughts and opinions. Companies can now choose from 150 million resumes online on monster.com. That is the same amount of resumes as the entire US workforce. The same service is available here in the MENA region through Akhtabut and Bait.com. The most popular device for sharing photos on Instagram and Flickr is now the iPhone, mostly of cats, unfortunately. Similarly, sites in the MENA region like Diwanji and Jiran let us share our pictures. 3 out of 5 children aged under 2 now play with a mobile device. That's before they're even speaking a full sentence. Almost half of all consumers in the UAE and Kuwait shop online. From His Majesty King Abdullah's vision 12 years ago, we've come a long way.
Our vision here is very simple. We wanted to succeed because we want to be on that boat. We know that this is the future. We know that this is the growth for our country. So whatever fancy slogans you hear and whatever people will tell you about what we want to do in IT in Jordan, we're serious because this is our #1 chance to get Jordan to be a very special country in this part of the world. And I believe we can do it.
MENA mobile broadband is now bigger than fixed broadband. 40% of mobile broadband users have paid to download an app. Jordan's internet penetration has increased dramatically to 63% right now. Jordan leads the ICT race by far in the Levant region. Our revenue increased to 2.5 billion in 2012. Jordan ranked #1 in the number of technology investments in the Middle East in 2011. And here is one of our latest innovations. Oasis 500 is about investing in 500 startups in 5 years. Oasis 500 includes entrepreneurship training, mentorship guidance, incubation, and exposure. The goal is to accelerate the launch of startup companies, which will create an incentive for aspiring entrepreneurs and generate job opportunities. Have a look at some of the success stories in just 2 years. The King Abdullah II Fund for Development App Challenge is a school student-centered competition for young Jordanians to explore and engage in new emerging technologies. Each year, students are presented a challenge prior to training on app design and development, after which each team then builds an app that is compatible with new devices. These young Jordanians represent the talent that will power Jordan's future. Welcome to Iman 1, Jordan's one and only supercomputer. The goal of Iman 1 was to achieve supercomputing power within the most economical parameters. This goal was achieved by building Iman 1 using 2,260 PlayStation 3 devices. Iman 1 project embodies the Jordanian spirit, accomplishing great things with limited resources and making the impossible possible. Let's celebrate the past, but more importantly, step together once more into the future. Thanks for attending MENA ICT Forum 2013. Welcome to the future.